So my name is Audrey, and we're gonna jump right into it. So we're doing nature book, and we're gonna be drawing like our own garden. So that's great. We're gonna do this page right here. Draw our own garden. Oh, there we go. Draw our own garden, and then you can label it in longhand. Label it, and the screen's flipped, so like it's weird.
Yeah, the screen makes it backwards, huh?
Okay. So
wait. Oh. Here, I'll flip it. Ready? Okay, hopefully this works. We're gonna flip it and start our project. Is it working?
So is it
There we go.
is it upside down or backwards?
I don't know. Let's see. Can you see it?
Can you all see it?
I think it might be backwards.
Is it backwards?
Let's see. No, I think it's good. No, it's not backwards.
Okay, there we go. That's good.
Yeah, see the tops over there? Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Okay. Now.
No. I got a bug.
Okay. Okay, so first things first, I think we're gonna draw a butterfly. That butterfly right here. You see it? Is it on camera? No. That butterfly right here.
Okay. We'll draw a butterfly first. And just put in the chat what your favorite thing in nature is.
Yeah, what's your favorite nature thing?
And wait. Let's
Is
I don't know, let's put it over there.
Okay.
If you can see, okay, give us some thumbs up. Man, it's just like, I don't know if it's backwards or upside down or what's going on. There we go. It's way over there for some reason. Here, let's go like that.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Works.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay.
There.
Butterfly. Okay, so what you're gonna need for the art project is just color pencils and maybe a normal pencil.
Mm-hmm. And what color do you have? What's that color?
This is a black color.
Black color? And what are you drawing right there?
Butterfly. We can label it.
Is that the wing?
Hopefully it's upside down. It's a butterfly. Spelled that right.
That's great. Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's not upside down. Hey, Stevie. Is it upside down for you guys? Is it right side up? Hopefully we're in the right place.
Can you even see what I'm drawing or my hand over it?
Yep, you're good. I think you're right. I will see what somebody says. And what's that right there?
The head.
Perfect.
So, just circle kind of down line for its belly. Oh, we're going to draw white things. Color them all in.
All right, and every once in a while you probably want to take your hand away so people can see.
This black is very not black. Okay, there. Yeah.
So that's the wing and the body.
Yes, this
Cool.
is going to be the second wing. It's kind of down. Oop. Folded out, so it's not like going to be puffy or anything. And then we're going to do some white spots right here. Color it all in black.
And when you talk, you talk loud.
Okay.
Because it's hard. The microphone's not very big. Kind of small microphone.
Yeah. Oops, kind of colored in one of those dots right there.
Looks cool.
Okay, I'm gonna stick out his belly kind of, because that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, and then we can draw the legs out. Then it has 2 back ones. Then antennas. Now we're gonna draw like all the little crack thingies on the butterfly's wing.
Oh, the different black spot things?
Lines, yeah.
Black lines.
Do you guys have a lot of butterflies around your house? And if you do, what kind of butterflies do you have? Okay, then we're gonna come around here and we can do lots of little white things. And color them in. Okay. Maybe art tip. Don't make the circles too small. You'll accidentally color them in.
That's a very realistic butterfly.
Yeah. And then just we can do this. Draw like a line kind of across the wing. Then you draw it up like that. And then white spot right here and big one right there. And then you color it in like that.
Okay, remember to, yeah, maybe.
Okay, there. And then we're gonna get an orange.
And what?
An orange.
Orange color? That looks like
This is kind of a, okay, peach. There we go. We'll use these two. I just colored all in orange. Wait, no. I'm gonna grab a yellow too.
okay.
I'm gonna grab a yellow too. So we can make the first layer yellow. Try not to color over like I just did, because it'll blend the colors. Oops. Just a light layer of yellow, and then orange.
Cool.
And whamma bam damn, we got a butterfly. And you can put some red in too. Just a little bit though. Yeah, there's butterfly.
Oh, nice.
Now we're gonna draw some leaves. We can draw lots of different leaves. There's leaves, stones, pines, lots of mushroom stuff to put in our garden. So I'm gonna draw a mushroom. I'm gonna get a red and a dark red, like a brownish kind of, and then mushroom. So you just do like a curve shape. Oops. Curve shape. And across. Right here, gonna go down. And then you can do some brown under here, like this. Brown. Just to give it foreshadow. And then grab a gray or your pencil, whatever you want, and stump. And then you do like a curve at the end, not just a straight line out, whatever. And then for shadow, you can go like this and just color a little bit underneath it for shadow. And then
That's a good tip.
color in the mushroom. And then right here down for shadow, you can do brown because the mushrooms aren't all red. Oop, there we go, mushroom. I'm gonna write mushroom. And my pencil broke.
Oops.
There we go. Mushroom butterfly. Now I'm gonna draw a leaf. I'm gonna do that one right there. That one's a pretty leaf. So just get out a dark green and a lesser dark green and then maybe a light green. But you don't need the light green if you don't have one. So with the dark green, I'm gonna outline this. So we're gonna draw like a nice line like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, here, go this way. There we go.
Okay, yeah. Line like that, and then lines, kind of like a leaf pattern. Just lines coming out of it. Like that.
Oh, a line and then other lines coming out. Okay.
Lines and lines. And then draw a shape. So from this point right here, you can draw down like a curve, like a semicircle. And then another one. I'm gonna make this longer, stretch out to the end of the leaf. There. Okay, and then you take your light green and kind of just go over it, just a light layer. And then take your darker green, not the darkest green, this green.
Medium.
Medium. And if you can't see it very well, you can actually just take your darker pencil and go in with it like that. Are you kidding me? Second pencil today. There, black. You can take your black, just go like that. Boom, boom. Yeah, now you can see it all nice. Okay, then yeah, just fill the rest in. And boom, leaf. And also you can take your darker green and kind of make it darker on the bottom for shadowing purposes. This is not a good pencil.
Kind of rough, huh?
There we go. There, so now we have, oh yeah, leaf.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm gonna draw a yellow one or a brown one. I like the brown one better. I'm gonna do that one. So yeah, brown leaf. So the colors you're gonna need, probably just 2 browns, dark one and light one, and black. So I'm gonna just make a line right here like that. And this is a brown leaf, so it's all crunchy and
Here, let's push it up a little bit.
okay, there. So it's gonna be all crunchy. So lines, lots of lines, and then crunchy leaf. So maybe you can take the dark red that we use for the mushroom, or you can just take a light brown, whatever you want. Okay, so now this is a dead leaf, so it's gonna be all kind of cracked and stuff. So you can draw some holes in your leaf if you want, but yeah, just crackly leaf because it's dead. Okay, so you can go over the lighter brown, and then you can do the darker brown. There we go. I think, is this one darker than the one I just used? Oh yeah, this one's darker. Okay. So yeah, you can do some shading with your dark brown. Here we go, dead leaf. You can also make a stem. Yeah. So boom, leaf. Oh.
Oops.
I wrote a T. Leaf. One. There we go. Leaf one. Now let's draw some bugs. A lot of bugs here. Let's do spider.
Okay.
Spider. So I guess for this one, take a dark brown and your black, and a light brown. Oops, bumped the camera. Okay, so
Put it right there.
you just draw like an 8, so an 8, a big, and then you color it in. Like that, and then you draw these little pincher thingies to eat, you know. And then
Where? I don't think they can see it.
these tiny little pinchers.
Okay, good. Yeah,
tiny,
just when
tiny.
your hands over it, they probably.
And then 8 legs.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, and then 2 back legs. Yeah, dusty in here.
Dad needs to dust better.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's creepy.
And boom, spider.
Oh.
Boys will like that one. Okay, and then you can take your black and make it kind of darker around the sides. There. So that's a spider. Woo. Now I'm going to take a water break real quick. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna draw a rock. Now rocks are really simple because they're rocks. So for a super simple one, you can just do like an oval like that and color it in. And you have a rock. Or if you, and then you can just add shadow like that. Really easy. Simple rock. Rock. And now I'm gonna do some more, like some plants, so then you have plants to put in your garden. Whoop, I'm gonna flip to a good page. Oh, no, let's do a feather. Feathers are cool.
Okay.
So you take a brown, just go like this, a line, another line, right beside it, like a super narrow triangle. And then like that. Okay, and I'm doing this one, the big one in the middle. So you kind of like do lines out like this. Yeah. Like that. And then just keep going all the way to the bottom. And we got feather, but we need colored in. So you can do light brown and just do like the same thing, just lines down it. I don't know what kind of bird this is, like hawk or something. hawk feather. Okay, and then you can color this thing in right here, black. And then you can also take your black and go like this. Like that, just lines throughout the patterns, design thing throughout the feather. There we go. I'm gonna add a little more dark brown up here on the top. There we go, simple feather. No, we haven't done a bird. Let's do a bird. I'm gonna find a really good one. Ooh, there's pretty things here. We should do a moth. That green moth's really pretty. Let's do a green moth right there. Okay, so this green moth has a lot of green colors. So we're gonna need a gray, a light green, and a dark green, and maybe this green and a black. Lots of colors for this one. So I'm gonna sketch it out using the black. So 2 wings, the 2 wings are open, one right here, one right here, and then kind of pushing out little tips on the end. Okay, and then they curve down and like that.
Like an S?
Yeah, like an S. And then boom, wings, first pair of wings. And then we're gonna cut out here, right here, come out, and then curve in. So right here, come out, curve in. There we go. Oh yeah, you can do like little bump thingies on it too if you want. Just color them black like that. There. Oops, did those bumps on the wrong side. Doesn't matter. And then we're gonna take black, go down, because it has like a pretty dress thing. And then hook, like half circle up. There we go. And you do like a triangle right here. And then there's the outline of our moth. And then it has dark green antennae. So 1 green. Boom. You can add in a little tiny bit of black so then they look darker. And then we're gonna do light green, just kind of go through it. Light layer of green. Don't need to like push hard or anything. I have a lot of moths at my house. So the moths that I have are like these little brown ones. They're small and they're not super pretty like the green ones that I'm drawing, but they're cool either way. Okay, now the wings have these really pretty designs on them. So you come out like this, lines coming out of the wing, and then you draw a circle for the pattern. Then you could do a circle right here and one right here. Pretty. then we're gonna take our darker green and go in like this. Okay, and we're just gonna color in that full wheat, and then we're gonna stop right here. Right here, we're not gonna color in this spot right here. We're gonna leave this spot light green. Okay, right there. Then yeah, just color in the rest of the bug.
Push it up a little bit more. Yeah.
Ooh, smudgeable. There we go. That took a while to color it. There, there's our pretty little moth. We even have, there's like a little zigzag right here. Oop, like that. That's pretty, so. Yeah, we'll do that. There's our moth, pretty moth. Now, there's a really cute mouse right here. I'm gonna draw the mouse. Can you see that? Mouse? The mouse right there. Okay, I'm gonna draw that. So take your dark brown and your light brown.
Oh, we're almost up for time too.
Okay, so take these and we're gonna draw the mouse real quick because we're almost up for time. So you're just gonna do like a little ball. Ball. Like that, and then
Push it up.
And I'm trying to find it. The book closed on me. Oh, here we go. Okay, there it is. So we're gonna do like a lump, and then we're gonna go up and kind of do a triangle, a round triangle. So, okay, I'm gonna make my mouse a little fatter right here because fat mice are cute. Okay.
I don't know about that. I think some people wouldn't think fat mice are cute.
Then you can draw ear, right? A big ear, another big ear, and then you can color it in. Oop. Just lightly right here, just like a little bit. So yeah, draw its eye black, like that. And then you're gonna take your darker brown, go in just with lines so it looks furry. That. These pencils are very bad, so it's kind of not standing out, so it doesn't look like fur here, but it's okay. Okay, and then you can do its paws. I'm gonna get a pink for that because it has pink paws. So you can come out like with these little stubs, little like stub things. And then one right here, one right here. You go like this. 1, 2, 3. And just draw 3 lines out of the foot. There we go. Then we can draw a tail for the mouse. and its ears have like a little bit of pink in them, so draw like a little bit of pink in it, and then you can color it brown. Add a tiny bit more pink. There we go. Oh, it needs whiskers and a nose. So you can draw its nose black or pink, and then whiskers. There we go. Mouse. So those are all the things that you can put in your garden. You can do
just some of them, right?
some of the things, you know. You can add grass like this, just lines out, you know. And then you can add a little bit of dirt. Like that. And then all of the plants that you want.
Yeah, just like that, right?
So this is what I drew. Oh, I'm going to show you guys how to do the pink flower real quick. So for a pink flower, you just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Really easy like that. And then you just color it in.
4 of them? Or?
Yeah, 4 petals.
Okay.
Kind of looks like butterflies. And then you just draw a stem and a leaf if you want.
Oh, that's a good one. I like that.
So,
and then what about the grass? What were you telling them about the grass?
So when you get done like drawing all your plants and stuff, you can go in and kind of draw a bunch of grass. Yeah, so use lots of greens, light green, medium green, and dark green. And just put them all in there.
Good, cool. Alrighty, awesome. Okay.
So yeah, thanks for watching.
Oh, rotate your phone away. Okay.
Ooh, that.
There we go.
Okay, that did it. Yeah, thanks for watching. So I would love to see your guys' gardens. Post them in the group, and we'll be choosing a winner, which one we like the best, and whichever one wins will be getting a prize. So that's good.
All right.
Yeah, bye guys.
Thanks, bye.